Hey guys, Richard with Dent Masters here. Got a BMW M4 dent right in the middle of the door. It's a little one, but it's got some depth. We're gonna fix this with paintless dent repair. No body work required, no repainting. We're gonna maintain this awesome paint job from BMW. It's a metallic blue, but you can't really tell until you get right up on it. But just an awesome looking car. And we're gonna fix this in about an hour with paintless dent repair. Stay tuned. Okay, so tried to go down through the window on this one, but there's a huge crash bar right across the center of the door, right where that dent is. So not able to get the right angle, get on the back side of the dent through the window. So secondary option, we've got a factory plug here from BMW. Take that out. Got a big old hole. We're gonna sneak with a hook tool and a hook up underneath. Pry off of that crash bar and work the dent out. Okay, all done with the BMW M4. Small ding. Center section of the door was right around here. Came out great. Ended up going through that factory plug right there. Got right on the back side of the dent and worked it out. Small dent, but hey, you know, car enthusiasts are usually pretty particular about their BMWs. So if you got a small dent, we can fix it. Thanks for watching.